Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to do the volleyball pattern, which looks something like this. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So before starting, you're gonna know some basic notations, and that is R, that is moving the right side upwards, and L, that means moving the left side downwards, and U, which means moving the top layer to the left side, this is U, and D, which is moving the bottom layer to the right side, and lastly M, which is moving the middle layer down, and that's M, R, U, D, and L. So let's get to doing the volleyball pattern. It's pretty easy. So I'm gonna start with the green color. So the formula is R2, U2, M2, D2, LR. So it's pretty much done. It looks pretty cool. After you're done solving the Rubik's Cube, you can do this pattern. Just keep it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.